Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing a clean CSV with email, first name, last name, and any custom properties. This prevents duplicates and errors. Once done, log into Hubspot, go to Contacts, choose Import, and pick File from Computer. Make sure to select Contacts as the object. This tells Hubspot how to map the data. As you upload, watch for immediate validation flags. They show missing emails or invalid formats so you can correct them before continuing. You now map columns to Hubspot properties carefully. Mapping wrong fields causes bad data downstream. If a property is missing, create it sparingly. Too many custom fields complicate reports. Next, choose deduplication by email or Hubspot ID so you don't overwrite records unintentionally. Preview about 50 rows to validate mappings and sample values. Also set lifecycle stage, owner, and email subscription preferences in import settings. Because these attributes control segmentation and deliverability, you finish by running the import and then verifying results with list filters and property views to confirm counts and key values. Make sure to open the import summary. It shows errors and skipped rows, and you should download that error file for precise fixes. If things go wrong, correct the CSV, fix mappings, and re-import using the Update Existing Contacts option so you don't create duplicates. Finally, run a quick quality check on 10 random contacts to ensure everything's synced as expected.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.